Dear students, in this video we will deal with a new topic. Be with a positive attitude. One person can have different attitudes. It is the state of our mind. Our attitude can be both negative and positive. If our attitude is negative, we will behave negatively and our feelings also will be negative. If our attitude is positive, our thinking, behaving, or feeling all will be positive. Positive attitude means being optimistic about situations, interactions, and yourself. Whatever happens in life, we will be hopeful and see the best in difficult situations. Positive attitude will help you to be successful, independent, and self-reliant because it helps us to avoid worries and negative thinking. You will be happy and energetic always, and it will be pleasing to those around. And we will not give up in difficult situations, and we will solve all the problems coming in our life. The person with a positive attitude will be simple but creative, well and neat but constructive. He will definitely achieve his goals. He will find happiness in small things, and whenever the negative thoughts come to life, he will make it positive. In order to create a positive attitude, you should interact within positive environments and with positive people. Always be happy and don't give up in failures. Face your problems with a good mind. Always act with a good purpose. Know about ourselves and our capacities and limitations, and forgive the limitations of others. Be thankful to others who helps us. Improve your skills and ask help if you need it. Do not be in inferiority and superiority complex. All these will help you to create a positive attitude. Andrew Carnegie, a famous American industrialist, a businessman who first he worked in a cotton factory but finally became one of the largest steel manufacturers in the US. He once said, "It is similar to digging gold. When you go digging of an ounce of gold, you have to move tons of dirt. But you don't go looking for the dirt, you go looking for the gold." His positive thinking made Carnegie a good, successful man. We can also become a successful man like Carnegie if we think positively and handle the situations positively. Whenever we acknowledge and appreciate good deeds, they become part of our attitude, which may be called our second nature. If our deeds are good, our character and personality will be good. If our character and personality is good, they are the great assets in our life. Your positive attitude will help the others to grow because you will see their good qualities and appreciate it and leave all their imperfections. It also helps others to live with proud, and others will improve themselves and create a positive attitude. In the text we see a story that took from the Bible. This story tells the power of the positive attitude of a shepherd boy, David. Goliath was a giant Philistine who challenged King Saul and his army. Nobody were ready to fight with Goliath because he was giant and stronger. But David, the shepherd boy, was ready to fight with him. Everybody said, "He is too big to defeat." But he said, "No, he is too big to miss." He took a stone and using his sling, hit the giant on his forehead. The giant fell on the ground and David then killed him. David, a small boy, brought victory to a great kingdom because he was courageous enough and took everything positively. In our lives, we will have such kind of situations too. Face them with courage and take it positively. They are the opportunities to strengthen your willpower. Challenge your negative thinking and be positive always. There will be many problems in life, but focus on solutions, not on problems, and strive to do the best you can. Thank you, children.